Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform repairs safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. A central air condensing unit contactor is the component that allows the unit's compressor and fan motor to run. When the home's thermostat detects an increase in temperature, it closes the cooling circuit, allowing voltage to travel to a control board. The control board uses a timed sequence to send 120 volts of alternating current to the circulation blower fan motor in the furnace and 24 volts to the condensing unit contactor. When the contactor is energized, it allows 240 volts to flow through a nearby disconnect box to the compressor and condenser fan motor. A defective contactor may prevent voltage from reaching the compressor and fan motor, resulting in the condensing unit not working. You can use a multimeter to test the contactor's contacts and coil for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If either the contacts or coil test negative for continuity, the contactor will need to be replaced. Contactors are usually unique to each central air condensing unit. You should enter the full model number of your condensing unit in our website search bar to find the specific contactor you need. Before you replace the contactor, first shut off the power to the condensing unit. You can do this by removing the fuses from the disconnect box or switching off the circuit breaker. Use an appropriate size socket or nut driver to unthread the mounting screws, securing the condensing unit's access cover. Remove the cover to reach the run capacitor and contactor. To ensure the run capacitor is discharged, place a screwdriver with an insulated handle across both sets of terminals. Avoid touching the screwdriver blade. Now note the location of the wires connected to the old contactor, then disconnect them. Unthread the mounting screws to release the old contactor. Install the new contactor by positioning it on the cabinet. Then replace the mounting screws to secure. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals. Realign the access cover. Rethread the mounting screws to secure. With the repair completed, restore power to the condensing unit, and your central air system should be ready for use.